Unpacking Dead Stop, a guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to unpack: dead stop. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it in sentences, and give you some examples to help clarify the concept. So, let's dive right in and get started. The phrase, dead stop, refers to a complete and sudden halt of movement or progress. Imagine a car driving at full speed, and suddenly, the driver hits the brakes, bringing the car to a stop instantly. That is a dead stop. It's not a gradual slowdown, it's an abrupt halt. Now that we know what dead stop means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. 1. Traffic. I was driving smoothly on the highway when suddenly, the traffic came to a dead stop. 2. Work or projects. We were making great progress on the project, but then we hit a roadblock, and everything came to a dead stop. 3. Physical movement. She was running really fast, and then she saw a snake on the path and came to a dead stop. As you can see from these examples, dead stop can be used in various contexts, whether it's traffic, work, or physical movement. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are some phrases that have a similar meaning to dead stop. 1. Standstill. The negotiations have come to a standstill. 2. Screeching halt. The sudden news brought everything to a screeching halt. 3. Full stop. He put a full stop to all the rumors by releasing an official statement. These phrases can be used interchangeably in some contexts, but remember that dead stop emphasizes the suddenness of the halt. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, dead stop. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using dead stop in your own sentences to get a feel for it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.